Think you've seen all the coolest tech? Think again. I found 9 gadgets on Kickstarter and Amazon that look like they're from 2030. We're talking a robot that mows your lawn and clears your snow. The world's first hybrid magnetic mechanical keyboard. A robotic chess arm that moves real pieces, and a bionic bird so realistic it fools other birds. Stick around, because number 1 will completely change how you think about yard work. Meet the Yarbo M Series. It's a modular, all-season robotics platform that has just completed a wildly successful Kickstarter campaign, raising over $3 million from 700 backers. It's not just another lawnmower. It's a tracked vehicle weighing about 40 kilograms, 88 pounds, that serves as a powerful, mobile core unit. It's designed with IPX6 water resistance and features fast wireless charging that can charge the 10Ah battery from 10% to 90% in about 30 minutes, maximizing its daily coverage. The Yarbo will mow for up to 110 minutes per charge, covering about 0.2 acres of grass before automatically returning to its dock. The possibilities here are incredible. The $2,199 base model can be upgraded to a full-spec M20i for around $4,899. This is a complete rethink of property maintenance. After seeing that, let's look at something that challenges a different, more portable kind of power. Meet the rolling Square Supertiny 100W GAN charger. It packs a massive 100 watts of power, but measures just 2 inches by 1.38 inches, roughly the size of an AirPods case. It's 65% smaller than Apple's 96W charger, and the US version weighs only 100 grams, making it 20 grams lighter than Anker's smallest offering. The secret is GAN technology using gallium nitride. This material is incredibly efficient, converting about 95% of the energy from your wall outlet directly into charging power, meaning only about 5% is lost as heat. It also features a clever rib design on its sides to dissipate heat without burning your fingers. The early bird price for this global-ready champion starts at just $46. Now, from a device that fits in your pocket, let's move to one that fits in your pool. Meet the iGarden SwimJet X Series, a CES 2026 Innovation Award honoree. This world's first fully wireless, portable countercurrent system has a 10-hour lithium-ion battery, allowing you to deploy it in minutes. It utilizes a PMSM motor with smart flow technology to generate a smooth, laminar current of up to 3.5 meters per second, fast enough for serious triathlon training, and its ultimate safety shield includes an IP68 waterproof motor and an instant cutoff sensor that automatically terminates power if the unit detects instability or tilting. Pricing starts at an incredible $799, a fraction of the traditional $20,000 swim spa. Now that your workouts are sorted, and we're just getting started, you've seen a yard robot, a pocket-sized 100W charger, and a pool jet. But coming up, a wallet that calls you back when you lose it, a camera that weighs less than an egg, a keyboard that breaks the rules of gaming, a chess robot with a real arm, and a bionic bird that actually fools other birds. Stick around. You haven't seen the best yet. And let me know in the comments, which of the next 5 are you most excited for? Let's keep going. Meet the Lorzor Wallet. The inspiration came from gunslingers who could draw and fire in 0.1 seconds. The standard carbon fiber version is just 8.5 millimeters thick, yet holds 7 cards. The Pro version uses a tempered glass window to reveal its advanced circuit board and integrates Apple's Find My network and NFC technology, ensuring you'll never lose it. An embedded 0.3mm ultra-thin 540 mAh battery provides over 2.5 years of battery life. Lorzor solved the classic signal interference problem by using tempered glass for the tracking version and fine-tuning the antenna, ensuring the signal doesn't get blocked. Speaking of capturing things, let's talk about how to record your world without holding a camera. Check this out. Meet the SRTK CAM. This is a wearable dual-lens mini camera measuring a minuscule 55 millimeters long and weighing just 19 to 21 grams. That's lighter than an egg. It captures 2.7K video at 30 frames per second and 48 megapixel photos through its dual-lens system. You can wear it clipped to your glasses for a true first-person view, POV, with an impressive 72 degrees ultra-wide angle and switch between its two lenses to capture different perspectives with just one button tap. It has a 100-minute recording time and can be used while charging via USB. It reached 100% of its funding goal in 1 hour on Machwake. From capturing incredible POV content, let's now upgrade a tool you use for hours every day. Meet the Lofree Hyzen, the world's first hybrid magnetic mechanical keyboard. It features co-engineered Nexus switches that give you the satisfying feel of a mechanical keyboard for typing, but with the adjustable actuation, rapid trigger, and dynamic keystroke settings of a magnetic switch for gaming. It's powered by a Nordic nRF54L chipset, delivering an insane 8,000 Hz polling rate, even in wireless mode, with just 0.125 milliseconds of latency. It's carved from a single block of CNC aluminum and packs a massive 10,000 mAh battery, good for up to 80 hours of continuous use. The early bird tri-mode wireless version is available for $189. That's the king of desktop input. Now let's move to a different kind of board game. Meet the Sense Robot chessboard. This board features a real, physical robotic arm that moves the pieces for you, with a precision of about 1 millimeter and a deliberate pace that adds to the tension. Included are 25 adaptive AI difficulty levels from Yellow 200 all the way up to a Grandmaster beating 2900, plus an Apex mode. It's not just for playing matches. It's a full-scale training suite with over 1,200 exercises, an in-game trainer with more than 145 positions, and even voice coaching. It's available now on Amazon for around $1,500. That's a masterpiece of physical AI, but our next gadget is pure, joyful magic. Meet the Bionic Bird. Weighing just 9.2 grams, it's an ultralight ornithopter with a wingspan of 380 millimeters, whose wings beat up to 18 times a second to achieve truly bird-like flight. It charges in 12 minutes on a specialized 36G egg and flies for 7.5 to 8 minutes per charge, with a range of up to 1.8 kilometers. The app includes an emergency brake that allows it to instantly hover in place, and the project quickly surpassed its funding goal, raising over $65,000 within the first 2 days on Indiegogo. And now, to wrap things up, a public service announcement. And the final gadget is the 4D Airpack Hair Dryer, but not for a good reason. While it looks futuristic, the customer reviews are a complete nightmare. One user on Amazon said, "The dryer stopped working in a few minutes, and then the heating coil would get so hot red, I was scared it could burst." Others reported melting plastic components and smoke, making it a genuine fire hazard. So think of this as a public service announcement. Avoid it. So those are 9 of the most insane gadgets on the internet right now. But which one blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments below. And definitely do not buy that hairdryer. Make sure to subscribe to TechX for more incredible tech. I'll see you in the next one.